Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to send money from your Chime account to Cash App. The process is quick and simple once you have everything linked. First, make sure your Cash App account is connected to Chime. Open Cash App, tap on your profile icon, go to Linked Banks, and add your Chime debit card or your Chime routing and account number. Once this step is complete, Cash App can receive transfers directly from Chime. Now, open your Chime app and log in. On the home screen, tap Move Money or Transfer Funds. From there, select the option to transfer money to an external bank. Enter the Cash App linked account information you already set up, choose the amount you want to send, and confirm the transfer. If you're using the Chime debit card with Cash App, you can also add money instantly by selecting Add Cash inside Cash App and funding it through your Chime card. This is often the fastest method. That's it. Your money will move from Chime to Cash App, either instantly if you use the debit card option, or within a couple of days if you use the bank transfer option.